If you are making noise, I will not minister to you. There's time to drink water. You close your mouth and drink. Omnipotent Father, you are a chosen vessel. Whoever taught you guys, shut up. When it's time to receive, shut up your mouth. If that your could have helped you, let it help you in your house. Shut up. When a man of God calls you from a cup to receive, stop making noise. Some of these young people that are rising, training young people, train them well. Noise everywhere, lives empty. I went somewhere to preach. I invited young people to pray with them. I saw some, they were twisting their body to pray. And I was looking at them and I was wondering what's going on. Who taught them this one? They were doing contortions. Some of them like people having epilepsy in the name of prayer. No. It's not an evil spirit you got, it's the Holy Spirit. Carry yourself with dignity. Carry yourself with dignity. There are times in prayer the spirit of travail comes upon me and I feel pain in my tummy like a pregnant woman delivering, and I cry out in the spirit and I agonize. Yes, there is a place for that. There is travail, but this one is not travail. Is they are copying something they saw somebody do. Everybody now becomes zombie. Ooh. You lose the real move of God and you end up with a show. In this place